Hello, Gary.
Hi, how are you?
How are you doing?
Oh, good, good. I'm Gary Woloszewski at Smart Technologies, and I'd like to talk to you about smart technologies and their interactive uses in command and control scenarios. So what we're using here is something called Smart Frame, and the Smart Frame in conjunction with Meeting Pro software allows you to interact with any application that you have on your computer. We have the ability to actually go in, look at an application, we have the ability to highlight information, we have the ability to go in, add notes directly into PowerPoint briefs. And the key thing here is it's a way to collaborate with information from one site to another. So everything that I'm doing here would actually be seen in real time at other sites. And we're doing that with, in conjunction with our Bridget data collaboration software. So the key thing with Smart Technologies products is it allows you to interact with applications that you use every day, like PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Visio, Acrobat, Esri's ArcView software, and it gives you the ability to use human tools in those applications just like you would normally. It also gives you the ability to save information directly to your applications. So as we move forward, we have users within the U.S. Army, the Air Force, Coast Guard, all sorts of domestic and foreign embassies, federal civilian agencies like the Marine Corps. Others would be the U.S. State Department, and the list goes on and on. And the key thing is that these customers like using our product because they're very simple to use, they're very low maintenance, and they're very effective. So as we see everything that I'm doing here, we've already connected to a remote site via our other side of our booth, but we can walk around to the other side of the booth and see everything that I've written here.
Okay, let's do that.
Sure. So as you see here on our display, everything that we've had written on this PowerPoint presentation is right there. We also still have the ability to actually navigate and go backwards. So we can go backwards and still see those annotations that we had made on this particular display.
Now, this is something that is available, as you said, to any aspect or branch of the military.
Yes, it's actually a commercial off-the-shelf product, and we've been selling these products since 1991. We sold over 1 million of these products in the market today.
So essentially, these could be two different offices. You could do what you did on one side, you can transfer and interactively transfer between two offices.
Exactly. So that's what we've done is we've just feigned a simulated application from one site to another.
Now, how safe would this be in the case of a catastrophic event? I mean, would you be able to protect this and still be able to communicate between
So as long
offices?
as you have an active internet connection, then yes, you can.
Okay.
And that's the thing that we do so well is that we allow you to work with that content. So you can actually work with the data, you have the ability to annotate, you have the ability to enter information, you have the ability to really add information to existing content that you wouldn't have with just video teleconferencing.
But again, this is all usable by any aspect or branch of the military.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
And can be used in an emergency situation?
Yes. So we're actually being used by FEMA and the National Guard right now in emergency scenarios. Companies that make command and control vehicles, they actually use smart products in their command and control vehicles as well.
So this is something that has actively been on the shelf for the military for a while?
Yes.
Okay. And does it change, or is there new versions?
So there are new versions that come out all the time. The nice thing about Smart Technologies hardware products is that we include a software piece called Notebook. And once you buy a smart hardware product, the future upgrades of Notebook software are free. So there's no obsolescence built into the product.